Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Stitch designs to AI Studio Gemini 3 Pro. First, make sure you're in Google Stitch and looking at the projects area where your design lives. This is the central place where you can open the specific project or form you want to move over. If you work across multiple workspaces, double check you're in the right one so you're exporting the correct design. Once your project is open and visible on the canvas, give it a moment to fully load so all assets are ready. Next, highlight everything you want included in the export. The simplest approach is to select all content on the form so nothing is missed: components, text, images, and any nested groups. If some elements are locked or hidden, consider revealing or unlocking them first so they make it into the package. A full selection helps avoid partial exports that can cause missing pieces later. Take a quick glance at the canvas to confirm that all key elements are surrounded by selection outlines before moving on. With your elements selected, look for the More menu in the interface. This is typically found along the top toolbar or near the main action controls. If you don't see export options, it usually means nothing is selected, so recheck your selection. Open the More menu and choose Export. This tells Stitch you want to package the selected items rather than just copying or duplicating them inside the project. When the export dialog appears, select the zip option. Exporting to a zip file bundles everything neatly, preserves structure, and makes it easy to move between tools. It also keeps file sizes manageable and prevents file name or path issues during transfer. After choosing .zip, confirm by clicking Export. Depending on the size of your project and your connection, the export might take a moment. Keep the window open until the download starts or completes. When prompted, save the zip somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a designated exports folder. Consider giving it a clear, versioned name so you can track updates later. Once the file is finished downloading, you now have a portable package you can bring into AI Studio Gemini 3 Pro. That zip is what you'll upload or reference in your Gemini workflow to continue iterating, testing, or integrating your design with your AI projects. And that's it. By opening your project, selecting everything you need using the More menu to export, choosing .zip, and confirming the export, you've created a clean package ready for AI Studio Gemini 3 Pro.